But that was just by seam ripping this one piece of webbing. I love you so much. The design that wasn't, buddy. Hi, come here. Okay, all right, that'll work. One other change I made to the design that was the roll top closure. Man, you're not making this easy, buddy. You're not making this easy. If you were just going to make a roll top pack and that you know you want a roll top pack, I wouldn't do that. I would just go ahead and make the front panel this long, or whatever your finished length is going to be, and make all the panels come up, you know, in one piece, and then you have a roll top, and you don't need to add this section. Hi. So there, buddy. So the stitches where, buddy, come on, seriously. So that anybody's going to really be looking that closely at the inside of my pack. I would like to figure out a better way to attach that, but what I wanted was to be able to make the pack up to here and then decide if I want a roll top, or if I want to do a flap, or if I want to put take the pack up to here and then determine if it's going to be a roll top or just have a flap closure or some other design, so that I can have different possibilities from the same pattern, basically. Fine, but what in so my boy, I love you. Come here. Mostly an aesthetic thing, though.